community, our community. Today, in front of me, mashallah, I see a gathering of Sufis. Sufis are peace-loving people. Sufism teaches respect. It teaches harmony. It does not teach for individuals to go out and even hurt, let alone blow up other human beings. It is false and totally incorrect that committing such an act of terror may pave the way to heaven. To clarify and to confirm whatever I am saying in the presence of Hazrat Qibla Pir Sahib and great scholars of Islam, who will correct me if I am wrong. Nowhere in the Holy Quran or in any hadith does it state that it is lawful or acceptable for any individual to commit these horrific and cowardly acts. Our British Muslim brothers and sisters are turning into British jihadists, subscribing to non-violent and violent extremism that promotes intolerance and hatred. I urge all brothers to stand by the great teachings of our great Qibla Alam Shaykh Rahmatullah alayhi, and more importantly, the noble Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, and fight against terrorism. Brothers, let's be clear, and let's not give the wrong interpretation of jihad, as some extreme clerics do. They are spreading this cancer in the media and within our communities. And we need to put a stop to this and uphold the teachings and thoughts of Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat and Islam. There are a lot of brainwashed teenagers being exploited by the propaganda by groups such as Islamic State. The terrorist threat continues to evolve rapidly. Together we must face up to the challenge of early prevention and intervention to prevent departures to Syria, to Iraq and to other countries. Freedom of speech was and still is one of the fundamental principles of Islam. But there are limitations, particularly in regards to faith. Rather than shooting and killing people, isn't it better, I ask you, that we deal with this matter through proper channels, such as lobbying, petitions, and getting relevant legislative bodies to pass a law to prevent and stop the printing and portraying of publications which offend any faith, not only Islam. We cannot sit here and say, oh well,